Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel.
Patrick's Garage.
It was absolutely really raining when at first time I could see water over a carpet and on the retractor. And again, I would think that the moonroof completely rotten at the edge. If your hinges are not completely sealed, there always will be some water. It will leak out to your car's interior. You can have wet carpet or water on the legroom.
We see water on the retractor. Strange, of course, from what?
Of course, technically impractical to take apart all car interior to find out from where water leaks. Plastic trim in repair. So let's look here closely enough. Let's look inside door pillar. We see heads of bolts and water inside. We can find a lot of dust under B pillar plastic trim. Be ready for that. Since we're working with current error, we maybe need vacuum cleaner from time to time. Now the rain, by the way, you can see. And at the up part of door hinges, we see holes. This is special square holes for bolts, attaching bolts for door hinges. We not should lift up door hinges because we can't close the door in this case. Door was adjusted to close normally. And our purpose for now to prevent penetration of water into their car interior. Dust must be cleaned. Passenger side B pillar without leaking problems. Now, so we go to the driver side again. B pillar trim repair was caused to find out from water leaks. But now they rain anyway, and I don't want to rush these. We need to wait door hinges dry. And now let's repair door pillar plastic trim. And small piece of plastic we melt with soldering iron. Maybe you see I added a little grill inside. And just I hope maybe not cracks again with small grill inside. Soldering little by little and fill all cracks. This piece of plastic I use like wire for welding. A lot of smell unpleasant. Maybe annoying part of work, but actually results in a good outcome. And it's very dangerous, not try to repeat. Maybe it's fascinating for me a little, but I don't want to do it again. That seems not so bad inside, and if you take your time, you can do it easily. But better not in the garage, inside only. Of course, there is absolutely no rush. That's one easy. And it's almost always good results. Let's look more closely. But probably you maybe not really likes the way it looks. First thing I noticed is paint of surface destructed, obviously, and how it looks inside of car. Maybe not so bad. But on the other hand, more better than worse. It doesn't go anywhere. We open door and look with light. Plastic very smelly. Don't try these at home. But I've had excellent luck with this plastic repair. And we continue to fight with water leaks. Moonroof not leaking, or maybe sunroof if you want. Now surface was dried. Let's look for all suspicion places. Maybe from fender water dripping, and with front drive not so unclear. Maybe water penetrate from moonroof, maybe from windshield. I don't know now. How water goes from roof to the windshield pillar? Difficult conundrum for me. And what greets me there? Rust. How is that possible? Maybe that doesn't make any sense for front door. This water bring me into an anxiety state. Be with rear door hinges will be more now easier. Maybe I'm missing something, but I'm looking now at these holes inside pillar. But sealant is added to door hinges as an enhancement to hardening sealant for rear door hinges and non-hardening for front. And contrary to non-hardening sealant, may stain your clothes. Non-hardening sealant. And here you see the same sealant that I was used for the rear window, only for the front hinges, not for the rear door hinges. But if somebody spoiled clothes, would have been a lot of cursing and swearing. Because of that, I was used only dried sealant on the rear door hinges. It's solid, it's durable, and then you don't have to worry about smart anybody. And maybe if you're interested in where I was used the sealants, hardening and non-hardening sealants, we'll put a link down the description below this video if you're curious. And overall, my thoughts about these hinges, I think that they stop leaking. And so, if you got a situation like this, first of all, take a notice to the door hinges below. Maybe door hinges installed not correctly. Water will leak out to your car interior. Take a look at B-pillar trim here in its place. Thing is that my door hinges are not completely sealed in this car, and obviously doors was adjusted incorrectly. Right here now you see door hinges for 240 series. Door hinges can be repaired. Time ago I was replaced pin for the door hinges on the workshop, of course. But not in every workshop do that. A lot of mechanics in our day don't know how to fix things. They didn't even try to fix it. Not easy to fix door hinges. Because now a lot of mechanics and probably even car owners just parts changers. They are not really mechanics. If you're interested for catalog for 140 series, I'll put a link down below. So, and we finally get to the end of our video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to that channel yet, please do. click the subscribe button and the bell so I can tell you when the next video about my cars is ready.